data released during the European session to date. What's caught your eye this morning, Darren?
To be fair, Nick, it's a bit thin on the ground in terms of economic data this week. We had some bits and pieces in Europe, but it's not really what you'd call a full calendar this week at all. So German industrial production for April, this is the month-on-month number, up by 0.9% versus the prior read of 0.4. So no great
improvement,
but an improvement nonetheless. And then the other sort of major piece of data, the Sentex, the Eurozone Investor Confidence Index. The Sentex are a company who tend to poll through social media, and
do we believe the pollsters in this day and age?
Well, I don't know. I mean, this is an early read, really. Obviously, we're literally finishing the first week of June, and this number's come out. But 17.1, the investor confidence read on this measure versus 18.7 the forecast and 19.6 the prior read. I guess it's not surprising that maybe investor confidence will be dented given what's gone on in European equity markets over the last 3 or 4 weeks. So it's down again. And then I suppose the other major piece of news out of Europe, or at least the periphery of Europe, the Turkish election results, and the ruling AKP party, led by Mr Erdogan, has unexpectedly lost its majority. So it stays in power if it can form a coalition. That's not what the market was expecting, and Turkish equities and the Turkish lira have plunged. I don't think that's too strong a word. And then perhaps the other major news, and that was out on Sunday to be fair, but was reiterated this morning, that the twin CEOs, I should say, at Deutsche Bank have resigned. Good for the stock, because that was up around 7%. But I never like to see a stock rally when somebody resigns. No, especially when it's the people that run the business. Read what you're willing to that, but I thought it was worth mentioning just in case people hadn't seen the story. Understood.